Quick intros, day 2. Let's get this bread. We are back for SEMA vlog. We're living the dream. We're in Vegas, we're in the desert. Come check us out in the South Pole. I haven't had Chick-fil-A in 3 or 4 days, man. I'm losing my mind. Appreciate it. Give me one. Give me one. The all polished aluminum. My favorite truck of the show. 100K on YouTube. That's where we're gonna ride the strip. White bow tie. Come on, that white night. How you feeling today? What's the mood like? What's the mood? Day 2. Technically, it's day 3 for you.
Feeling good. Feeling confident.
He's got a lot better attitude this morning than he did when we were leaving last night.
I was hangry.
What? Oh no, we had chicken wings last night. That's right. I was gonna ask. I was there with you. My coffee this morning tastes like ass. How's yours? McCafe.
Hey, for $3, it's pretty solid.
Fancy. I need to come work for you. Home away from home. Where's he going? That's so funny. Bro, are you stealing my mics over here or what? Let's get it open. Bro. Kaboom! Yeah, bro. Not a good time to throw these in. Goes. Kaboom. Wait, what?
May I have your attention, please?
Bro, shut up, bro. This guy's been talking forever. We're gonna be doing some mic'd up content all week. Mic'd up content's like my favorite. The goal of the day is to get the booth finished. It's the last day of setup. The guys been working hard. Not me. Look on Corey's face right now is whoa, don't back that thing up on me like that. Corey, how you feeling right now?
Pretty good, actually.
A little mic'd up content. Scale of 1 to 10. How are you enjoying yourself in Vegas so far?
Well, since on the internet, 11.
It's fair. It's a fair answer. I don't think I'm gonna get a straight answer out of anybody over here right now, so it's kind of pointless. Mic'd up content's fun. We'll be back. I've been wanting to. Bro, what are you doing? Are you scared of the camera now? So it's Monday. It's final loaded. I love the energy right now. It's final loading day. What I wanted to do with Sean this week is every day we're gonna do a check-in in the mornings. Little mic'd up content. Mic'd up content is one of my favorite. I don't know why I don't do it more often. We did it last year. Yeah, so, I mean, I guess how you feeling this morning? It's Monday. You got here Sunday. You had to drive 30 hours to get here. Shoot. I flew.
It was 32 without stopping, so it ended up being like 45 something.
As a whole.
But last night was the most sleep I got. That was like 6 hours the last week.
Time change is killing us.
Yeah, time change ain't helping. But the booth's coming out great. Everything's getting set up nicely. So honestly, like, yeah, we got a lot of work, but my stress levels are way down here right now.
Fuel booth is fire. So if any of you guys have, up to date with the videos coming later this week, fuel booth's front and center. Yeah. You're right in front of you when you come in the South Hall. Absolutely amazing. I have a feeling our vibes are going to shift as we get 5 or 6 days into this.
I mean, if they watch the videos from last year, they're going to know. Yeah. You can just gradually see the energy start to...
Vibes are good right now. We'll check in with y'all tomorrow, see if we feel the same.
We're going to see, boys and girls.
We're going
to see. Hell yeah, dog.
We'll get him in a minute. We're just chilling. We're hanging out. Manny and everybody's here. Lads is here. Lewis is here. The whole gang. We're gonna hang out. We're gonna come back later tonight and see some of the stuff they got hanging out in the booth today too. So there's not much over here yet. Today's is setup day ultimately, so not everything's gonna be set up by the end of the day. But come tomorrow, y'all will see the full booth. All this will be filled out here, and they got some cool shit that's gonna be in the booth over here. So we're gonna come back in a little bit and check in. But for now, I think we're waiting on I gotta show y'all something cool. I think that's what we're waiting on. Is the train right now, hopefully. I can't steal the camera guy on the train because he's got to film, but when the train comes back by, I had no idea. This is really, really cool for Manny and the guys at Poppy's. So KG1 and Fury has the tram that run up and down. They have our logos and branding on the side of the trains. There's a Fury one and a KG1 one. And I got a little surprise for y'all on the KG1 one for the guys at Poppy's. So we'll wait a second and I'll show you. When y'all get here?
Last night.
Last night. It's day one for Laz, technically. How you feeling right now?
I'm feeling great. We're in Vegas. We're in Vegas with the team. We're in Vegas with our friends. We're ready to network. You know what it is. Anything but bad vibes. So all good vibes. Swerve all bad vibes. Absolutely.
Hey, mood of the day, because this is my true feelings right now away from that wide bow tie. The grass is greener on whatever side I'm on. That's the mood.
Damn right, and with that we're closing it.
That's the vibe today. I shouldn't be toxic like that, but we are. That's how I feel. Grass is greener over here. You like that?
I love that.
You like that?
I love that. I love that. Grass is greener, so I guess what Alex is trying to say is grass is greener where you make it green. That's a little quote for yourself, for someone to take with them, right?
I'm gonna shush now because I'm gonna keep going, and I should keep going. I gotta pipe down a little bit over here. I'm getting carried away, but we're gonna leave it at that.
Dice rolling on the Las Vegas trip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mom when she takes
I can't wait to see Ryan because I told him we were sitting in the truck and I'm like, look, I'm gonna see you in Vegas and we're just gonna have this moment together. Like we're gonna be best friends till the end of time now. I hope you know that. And at the time he was pissed and you know FHP's trying to tow his shit. I'm like, trust me, I'm gonna see you in Vegas. This will all be done and over with. We're gonna laugh about this. Yeah, and that's what's happening.
He's cool as fuck though, bro.
I am.
When he broke down, I was like, bro, we could probably call Alex. I'm like, but bro, I really don't see Alex hooking a truck up to his truck and pulling it down the highway. And then when he got you to fucking hook up the gel, I was like, fuck. You know what I mean? I was like, fuck, so that's impressive.
What it was, honestly, Manny's just done way too much for me in my life to say no. Now, hauling the truck down the road strapped, like it was like 3 or 4 miles to put a strap on it. FHP would have got our ass fast, bro.
Why do I? Yeah.
They were being dicks out there about it. The road ranger like called us in, and I'm sure Ryan told you about it.
You have Ryan in there. I feel like we could just.
GM?
I need you to tell me about one of my favorite trucks out here right now.
I think the most exciting part about this GM is the fabricated knuckle. And most
That's
people,
new, yep.
Most don't understand, and everybody asks, where's the billet? But the billet part is the part that's milled, where you have to be the most precise, and that's where the hub sits. That's where we were having issues with the steel fabricated knuckle. So as you can see here, the neck is obviously fabricated from steel, but then if you go to the lower half of that knuckle, right here where the hub mounts, obviously right now it's powder coated, but right here, this entire piece right here is aluminum. This is billet aluminum, and honestly, dude, this is, or billet steel actually. So this is honestly one of the best iterations that we've done to this kit, and it absolutely rides immaculate. Now, I will put it against anybody, and we will go 120, 130 miles an hour, and we'll see if you could catch up.
Let's get some energy. Let's get it. Let's get it. Bro, I love the color combo. You're telling me this is purple? I don't see it. Maybe I'm colorblind. You think this is purple?
It's the most purple vehicle.
Bro, what do y'all said purple?
What do you mean? What color is it, too?
Y'all think this is purple?
Oh yeah, it's purple.
I always argued that it was like a dark navy blue with a hint of purple.
It's like bullshit. It's a purple / Sharky green.
What? Hey, so what does GM say this color is?
Most of these guys,
They call it a purple.
most of these guys are not painters. They have absolutely, look, they had me match a neon pink wrap. The color of these shades. You understand how hard that is? To perfection, because my painting team, that guy's fucking murdering. This has a flake in it. To me, this is a dark navy blue with like a purplish, bluish, silver flake. And
I see grayish navy blue.
Closely, you'll see it. So it gives you that purple illusion.
Laz feels strongly about
I absolutely love the truck. The contrast with the gold.
The gold,
absolutely
fucking perfect. Big cradle, 30s, 44s. I wish it was on KG1s, but that's just my own personal, you know what I mean? I can't win every time. I can't win every time. But this is one of my favorite trucks out here for sure.
I wouldn't disagree. You'll see that this year we're 100% on board with Team KG1, baby. Those are our guys. Those are our guys.
That train's looking crazy though, isn't it? We're waiting for the train to come by so I can show you the train.
By now in a little bit.
up to the booth at SEMA and seeing your face on the screen is insane. That's such a like crazy moment to me.
This is cowboy shit out here. SEMA, day 0, baby.
I don't know what I walked up on.
Oh, that's what.
3 guys.
How many monkeys did
And
it take to change your oil?
3 guys and
One of that.
some studs, or
3 guys and an Andy. Exactly. We got 8 studs.
Dude, I think if we give it a little love, she'll go. It's just it's fucking close clearance. All right, let's have that one. We only got one. The other one, if you got 2 there, let's put the one up on.
it looks good at night. You know, it's like a superpower that I show back up once the job is done.
Dude, it's incredible.
I timed this beautifully. It's like a skill.
Perfect. It's perfect. You got that knife money?
Yeah, I do.
Hey, will you give it to Damon in the red hat?
Yeah.
Hey, yo.
You're going to end my video off for me today.
We out here.
So Sammy,
Look where we at. Look. Show them where we at.
Yeah, they've seen the whole video.
We're inside SEMA. We're inside SEMA.
Sammy lives in Miami and texted me like an hour ago, and he's like, "Hey, I'm in Vegas." And Sammy's one of my favorite people of all time, like outside of the trucks. Love this dude. So
Love you, bro.
had to throw him at the end of the video just in case he's got to leave.
Yeah.
Tomorrow's Tuesday. He's leaving Wednesday, so I'm assuming I'll see him tomorrow. And we'll put him in the video again tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll
but
try to come tomorrow. See. Well, I'm seeing the trucks when nobody's here, which is even better, to be honest.
VIP access, you know. We didn't jump fences or nothing.
I don't know what you're talking about. But
Just in case, I had to throw him in the video one time,
Absolutely.
and we'll be back in Vegas to come see him sometime soon.
thank you guys. See
Good
you.
spread. Bro, they don't have sweet tea in Vegas.
Get over yourself.
Bro, just because you're in a bad mood doesn't mean you can shit on my sweet tea. I might hate me for this, but In-N-Out in my book is officially trash. They don't have sweet tea, and it's just trash. In-N-Out is butt cheeks. That's how I feel. Butt cheeks.
All you ever feel is butt cheeks.
Hey, yo. That's the end of the vlog. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Let's get this butt cheeks. Or let's get this